Logan here with Coastal Carolina Yacht Sales, and today we're out on a 2025 Regal LX4. We're going to go over basic specs, nice features, popular options, and even do a bit of running. So let's go ahead, dive on in. This is a 24-foot, 4-inch long boat length overall. 8.5-foot wide beam, so it is still trailerable to those families. Nice deep V entry leading on back to a 21-degree dead rise. Great coastal riding boat, and it has Regal's signature fast track hull. That's just going to make a nice comfortable ride, a little bit quicker, a little bit more fuel efficient out there in the water. Stepping on back, this is a cool color scheme. It's got graphite hull sides, black boot stripe accented with the Regal black PowerTower. Taking a look at the power plant, this is powered by Yamaha's 250 4.2 liter V6 engine. Great power package for this boat. It's going to push it darn near close to 50-mile-an-hour top end and cruise all day long with the family at 27 miles an hour. And at the description, I will put the performance numbers. It also has Optimus electric steering. We're going to notice trim tabs down here. Right there's your ladder. And stepping on board, you're going to notice how big these swim platforms are. They actually reach out almost 3 feet, giving a little bit of protection to the engine. Here at the aft starboard side, we're going to see our freshwater shower option. And then right below, one of the first cool features on this boat. Go ahead and press that button. And now we're going to see our aft storage raise. Now notice how it's hinged here to the back. That's because Regal anticipates you taking it to the beach, loading all your stuff up in here, making it nice and easy to pull the stuff out here from the back, or even when loading from a trailer. Again, nice and easy. 3 large compartments, and with it all the way open, we're going to see how nice and easy it is to get down there. Stepping on through, you're going to notice this is a center walkway design, and Regal does that because you really do get more seating with this layout. Again, just take a look how many people you can really sit just back here in the cockpit alone. So another cool feature on this boat, Regal has their dual multi-positional loungers. Right now it's laid all the way back. If you're at the beach, want a suntan, we can flip it up once to an aft lounger design. Now we have a rear facing seat for while you're at the beach, if I can get my camera under control. And then one more time, now we have our aft seat for the cockpit. Next, we're going to take a look here at our aft side seat. And the biggest thing I want to show you down here is notice how deep that storage is. Hard to see in a video, but when I step down there, it goes all the way up to my thigh. Right here, we're going to see our battery management system as well. Stepping on up and taking a look at the dash. Here we got twin Garmins there. Trim tab controls. There's all of our switches. And beautiful stainless steel steering wheel with the suicide knob. Oversized captain seats. The bolster's flipped up. Of course, if we want to sit down all day, right there you go. Our co-pilot seat is same as the captain's. One thing I forgot to mention, if you are just lounging in the boat, that does flip back right there to give you an aft lounger, or you have someone skiing and tubing. Great vantage point right there. Looking forward, we're going to see the option that we have never ordered on this boat, and that's going to be a head compartment. Nice large head. Of course, you can obviously put a head down there. Sink as well, and we got the port light too. As with most traditional bow rider dual consoles, We're going to see our ski locker down there, nice and deep. Right now I got the travel storage cover there. And going through the walkthrough, we do have our walkthrough doors for those cooler days. Stepping on up to the bow, you're going to notice beautiful stitching and bolsters all around. Everybody's going to be comfortable and really just classy looking boat. This does have the very nice, quite expensive teak table option. It can go up here in the bow or in the cockpit. Just like other places on this boat, we are going to see nice deep storage there, and almost every compartment will use this nice stainless steel gas strut. So now we're going to go ahead, get up on plane. Reach is playing pretty good, not too much bow rise, and we can just cruise all day long. Dial it in right there at 3,300. Pretty good fuel economy running this boat. Going into some turns. Leave a comment below if you have a question. Subscribe if you like the content, and keep a lookout for more upcoming Regal videos. Have fun out there on the water. Thanks.